Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome. I have a doll that has been on quite a journey to show you. I ripped the box myself because it was kind of messed up a little bit, but of course it had my address and everything on there. I'm just leaving this here so I can show you the ta-da of the doll. I have a Paola Reina 32 centimeter Las Amigas doll. Her name is Molly. And this box is much smaller than I anticipated, so I bought a doll, a couple of outfits, and a pair of shoes, and it all came in this box. So there she is peeking out of her little bag. Get the paper out of here. It looks like maybe these are the shoes. Yes. So this girl came from Spain. The website Dolls and Dolls. I have purchased from them before. I think, if I remember correctly, I purchased at least one of my Gorgeous Girl dolls from them. But it had been probably a year since I purchased from them. And boy, you know, the mail is kind of crazy right now. Oh, look how cute she is. I love her sculpt. Oh, she's pretty. For a little doll, she's pretty weighty. I wasn't sure. You know, she's a vinyl doll. The plastic's a little weird. I mean, I've seen these dolls before, so I knew she was going to come in this big old bag, I guess. So, but she's heftier than I had anticipated, which is good to see. So she, after leaving Spain, she spent a couple of weeks partying in the Netherlands. And I was getting a little concerned about her. Is there a way to just peel this open, or I have to cut it? I didn't have to cut it. Okay. So I was getting a little concerned that she wasn't going to show up here anytime soon. But she did finally, after a couple of weeks there. Then she went down to Miami, hung out at South Beach for a little while, and finally made her way back up to me. I am a few hours north of Miami. Oh my goodness, her hair is really nice. Woo-wee. What a pretty doll. Like I said, she's smaller than I had anticipated. I guess I was kind of thinking, which, you know, they tell you that this, I told you guys she's 32 centimeters. Like, all I have to do is look at a ruler, right? Duh. But she's a nice size. I mean, she's kind of in between. So she's, I have, of course, 18-inch dolls, you know, 12-inch dolls. I have 16-inch, A Girl for All Time dolls. They're 16-inch dolls. And let's see, the Gorgeous Girls are, I think they're around 14. So yeah, this is an interesting size for me. Here's the packaging. Nothing real fancy. These are actually pretty well priced dolls, I think. So I know YouTube can be weird about dolly nudity, so I'm just going to wrap her up. Plus, I don't really want to scratch her at this point. So we'll just put her over here for now while we look at her clothing. So yeah, I did get her from Dolls and Dolls. Just so you know, you can buy these dolls in other places. They're even on Amazon. But I wanted her. I wanted Molly. And she was a doll I just didn't find really anyplace else. And so, yes, shipping is not cheap. You know, it's coming all the way from Spain with a layover in the Netherlands. Oh, how cute. They even have the name on the bottom of the shoes. That's handy, too, because then you know who they belong to once you start getting a lot of doll shoes. These are cute little tennies. She doesn't come, I purchased her without any clothing. Again, she was not available. Some of these dolls you can buy, and they already come with outfits on them. And then some of them you can buy with just pajamas. And then some you can buy nude, except for the undies. I think the undies are a nice little touch. So, I knew she would need some clothing because, like I said, I didn't have any dolls that are her size. And I do sew, as you guys know, I sew for dolls, but, you know, there's only so much time in the day. And I have a real job, which is not sewing for dolls. So I wanted to make sure she had something to wear. And they do have some really cute outfits. So I went ahead and, since I was getting her, I figured, well, let me just go ahead and pay. Well, what's this? What's going on there? Oh, one of these little doohickeys. I figured I would just go ahead and pay for a couple of outfits so she'd have something to wear when I got her. Sort of, I guess, like I did with my Smart doll, right? You gotta have some clothes for the girls. So she's got this little coat with flamingos on it. How cute is that? And a little top and shorts. Again, I thought the price for all of this was pretty reasonable. Just if you get on to dollsanddolls.com, you can check them out. So she's got stockings and extra stockings. So like there, you can wear doubled. So that's cute. That's pretty cute. I will obviously have to put her in one of these outfits. So this one outfit. And then here's the other outfit. Is this one stuck in there? You would have a little, come with a little hanger. It's a nice touch. Oh, and these come with little sandals. I'd forgotten about that. So this outfit actually has a little pair of sandals, little slider sandals it comes with. And a tote bag. They're kind of stuck together. Let me cut this apart. Oh, this is like a little backpack. I forgot. It's been so long since I've seen her. I was almost about to give up. No, so I'm trying to remember how long. So she's probably been traveling a good, I'd say a good month at least. So let's see. Today we're into March. I ordered her around, I think, the 10th of February. And today is March 6th when I'm filming this. So, yeah. I guess not, yeah, almost a month. Not as bad as I thought. I guess I was just freaking out because I kept, whenever I would check on the shipping status, it kept saying she was in the Netherlands and she was just there for so long. I couldn't understand why she was there for so long. Oh, so this is a little headband. Now I'm remembering. And this is a little one-piece jumpsuit. How cute. All right, so she's got some clothes to try on. This is just the invoice. And hang on till the end of the video and you can see her in one of these super cute outfits. Yeah. What do you think of her? Look at her. My goodness. She's got like little glossy lips. Look at those eyelashes. Her eyes are really pretty. They don't close and open or anything when you when you put them upside down or anything like that. They don't move. And her head twists, and she doesn't have a super articulated body. You know, they're pretty stiff. I knew this going in here. You can purchase a different body for them. But I want to just check one out before I'm going down that road, that's for sure. Yeah, beautiful face up. Very, very nice quality vinyl doll. Unique looking. All right, hang out a few more minutes. Let's see what she looks like in one of these outfits. I'm almost done dressing her, but I wanted to stop here and talk about her hair a little bit. It's rooted, and it is crazy soft. Just amazing. Takara, you need to pay attention to this. This is super nice quality. Really easy to comb. I'm using a large tooth comb here. Just nothing to, I mean, I almost didn't even need to comb her hair practically. I'm putting on a headband, so that's why I felt the urge to bring out the comb. But goodness, really, really nice, shiny, gorgeous doll hair on her. All right, now for reals. Hold on. All right, she's dressed in one of her cute little outfits. I will have a follow-up video where I show you her in the other outfit, of course. But here she is with her little cute sandals on and this little jumpsuit. It's got a ocean theme to it, nautical theme. And this cute little lace headband. That's really a nice little touch. She is adorable. I'm super happy with her. I could see getting more of these dolls. I like the size of them. Like I said, she's 32 centimeters, which is about 13 inches, folks, FYI. Quick reference there. And she's solid. She's standing up by herself. unassisted. They don't come with any stands, but she doesn't seem to need one. She's a pretty solid little doll. And so if you've been curious about these, I would say go ahead and check one out yourself. I really like the unique sculpts that they have and the details in the face and the eyes and just the size of them. Something that are a little bit different to add to my doll collection. Thank you everyone for stopping by and spending a little doll time with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful dolly day. I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. Bye bye.